So we have here another example. We are given this, and then we just rewrite it here, and then we group. Okay, so the first two terms we group them as one group, and the next third and fourth term we consider them as another group. Then for the first group, you divide each term by the GCF. This is our monomial GCF. Okay, 6 divided by 2 is 3. A squared divided by A is A from the law of exponents. A squared divided by A is A to the power 2 minus 1, which is A. Then this divided by 2A. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. A divided by A is equal to 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Then for the next group, so what is common here? The common is B. Right? We have A, we don't have A here. We have B, we have B here. We have 3, we have only 1 here. Or nothing. You can see only 5. So, factoring out the GCF, which is B, then this one divide by, or then make the parenthesis, 3AB divided by B. So what is left is only 3A. Minus 5, so it's minus. So 5B divided by B is only equal to 5. Now we have another, or the new groups. So examine the two groups here. We have, for the first group, we have 3A minus 5, which can be seen here. In the next group, 3A minus 5. So we can factor that out. So this is 3A minus 5. Then let's make a parenthesis. Okay, and then this first group or first term divided by this common factor, the binomial GCF. So what is left is only this one, which is equal to 2A. Then we have plus. So this is also plus. So 3B times 3A minus 5 divided by 3A minus 5. So what is left is only B. Okay, so these are the factors. Okay, that's it. So if you have any question, just leave your question or your comments in the comment section below. Thank you.